Hello students, you know that CBSE has cancelled the board exam of class 10. So today we will talk about objective criteria to be developed by the board of class 10. So friends, see video till end and do not escape the video. If you escape the video, you may miss some important informations. I will explain all procedure for assessment. I also clear assessment of 80 marks due to cancellation of board exam. Let's start the video on laptop. So friends, this is a notification issued by CBSE on dated 14th April 2021. The notification also mentioned that result of class 10th board will be prepared on the basis of an objective criteria to be developed by the board. Now, challenge before us. CBSE says in the pandemic situation, delivering fair and unbiased result to student on time is a challenge task, but we are confident that CBSE school system will work hard to make things happen as smoothly as possible. Next है objective of the policy, developing an unbiased and transparent academic record based on realistic evaluation of academic performance of student is important objective before all of us while undertaking this task. Four key principles of any evaluation, namely reliability, fairness, flexibility, and validity, should be followed during the evaluation process in order to make sure that the assessment is fair, valid, and reliable. Schools, leader, and teachers should ensure that evaluation process as laid out below is clearly understood by all stakeholders. Friends, this is the most important, that is procedure for assessment of students. The student will be assessed out of maximum 100 marks for each subject as per the policy of the board. 20 marks are for internal assessment and 80 marks are for year board examinations. The internal assessment for 20 marks will be as per the existing policy laid out in circular number ACAD 11 of 2019 dated March 16, 2019 available. Based on the circular, internal assessment have already been done by the schools and majority of schools have uploaded their data on the CBSE portal. It is requested that all schools should upload the marks of internal assessment latest by 11th June 2021 as communicated earlier. Due to cancellation of board exams, the assessment of 80 marks will be done by the school based on the marks scored by the candidate in the different tests exam conducted by the school during the year. And next is the marks should be in consonance with the past performance of the school in class 10th board examination. Constitution of Result Committee. Each school shall form a result committee consisting of principal and 7 teachers for finalizing the result. 5 teachers from the school should be from mathematics, social science, science, and 2 languages, and 2 teachers from neighboring schools should be co-opted by the school as the external member of the committee. CBSE will make available an online module for entering claims of honorarium, which will be remitted directly into the accounts of committee members. Record of evidence and assessment. The evidence towards the performance of the student in the internal test oblique exams conducted by the schools. Recording of evidence and assessment. The evidence was the performance of the student in the internal test exam conducted by the school should be documented student wise and maintained in a secure manner. The documents may be called upon for subsequent verification as per the instruction of the board. As per the information collected from the school through regional office of CBSE, school have conducted different type and number of tests, exam. Broadly, the following exam tests are common and will be used for school-based assessment and the weightage in the terms of maximum mark for schools who have conducted the above test exam is given below. Category of test: periodic test oblique unit test 10 marks. Next, half year midterm examination 30 marks. Pre-board examination 40 marks. Total 80 marks. In case school have conducted more than one test exam within each category, the result committee may fix the weightage to be given to each test exam within the category subject to the overall maximum marks for that category. For example, if a school has conducted 2 or 3 pre-board exams, it may decide to take an average of the 3 exams, taken the best performance in the 3 tests, or give a weightage to each exam as considered suitable. There are some schools where one or more of the above 3 categories exam tests have not been conducted. Further, there may be difference in terms of mode of conduct of examination, that is online, offline. Also, it is possible that some of the student may not have appeared in any or some of the examination conducted by the schools. In all the above cases, result committee constituted by the school will have to address these challenges based on the analysis and study of the situation prevailing in the school, and thereafter draw up a criteria for the assessment of 80 marks, explaining in detail how the school assessment marks have been determined out of 80 in these cases. Number 1, where all the 3 categories of test exam have not been conducted by the school, and second, in case where students have not appeared in any or some of the test exam category selected for the assessment. The committee should in all cases clearly record all its decisions in writing with the reasons in the rational document. In case due to the skewness of result, the result committee finds itself unable to find the marks in the distribution given, it may decide to give weightage to the student performance in class 9th and or other periodic evaluation including project based assessment, which are an objective measure of the academic performance of the student. The second reference for modernization will be the average marks for the school in board examination of the reference year. As stated earlier, the subject-wise marks assessed by the school in 2021 should be within a range of plus minus 2 marks for the subject in the reference year. Both the checks will be available in the online system, and once the uploaded school-based assessment marks are consistent with the board's policy and directive, the school will be able to finalize the marks on the board's portal. In case marks are not consistent with the board policy, school will not be able to upload marks on the board portal. The above has been done keeping in mind that the school principals and teachers are best placed to assess the student based on the performance of the student in the internal test exams. They are expected to provide a fair and objective assessment of the student and have been given the autonomy and flexibility to do so. Safekeeping of records. All the schools will seal the record of the student along with the rational document under the signature of all members of the committee, and these should be kept in safe custody of the principal of the school for subsequent. CBSE may depute team to verify the documents and the process of the allocating marks uploaded to ensure the correctness of the same. A check on the basis of data uploaded by each school will also be done by CBSE, and all the schools identified based on the data analysis would be asked to submit their record to regional office concerned, and these documents will be verified by the team of experts deputed by CBSE. Data once uploaded will be final. Data of both internal and external assessment once filed by the school shall be considered final. No request for correction of mix because of wrong entry or mistake of any sort will be allowed. Hence, due care should be taken while uploading all marks on part of the school. If any candidate has not appeared in any of the assessment conducted by the school may conduct an offline, online, or a telephonic one-to-one assessment and record documentary evidence to certify the recommendation. The student may be assessed objectively on the basis by the school out of maximum marks of each subject. Grace marks by CBSE. CBSE will compute the result based on uploaded theory and internal assessment marks at the time of computation of result. Board policy of awarding grace marks will also be applied to those candidates who do not meet the qualifying criteria. Board policy for qualifying class 10th examination. In case after application of grace mark policy by the board and student is not able to meet the qualifying criteria, he/she will be placed in essential repeat or compartment category. Conduct of compartment examination. After declaration of result, school will conduct an object type offline, online compartment examination based on the sample question paper provided by CBSE. After assessment, school will upload the marks on CBSE portal for declaration of result. Permission to continue in class 11th. In case student is not able to meet the qualifying criteria, he may be allowed to continue in class 11th till the declaration of result of compartment examination by CBSE. Friends, if you like our video, kindly like and share and subscribe our channel to get notification on time. Thank you. Dhanyavad.